My name is Nita Irawati Murjani, Asia Portfolio Manager at the Forest Conservation Fund, or FCF. FCF connects private sector, particularly the ones working on agricultural commodities, with the indigenous peoples and local communities in our project areas, and enable them to empower the communities to be the frontliners in conserving the rainforest, using their traditional wisdom. Besides its strategic value as one of the largest homes of the world's tropical rainforest and biodiversity, the Asia region has been one of the major sourcing landscapes. Land conversion demand has been the major driver of massive deforestation. Climate change causes unpredictable seasonal changes, unfavorable weather, and severe tidal waves, all of which are threats to this coastal ecosystem, including a community's aquaculture industry. Coastal mangrove are natural barriers from sea waves, and the mixed forests help to stabilize the climate. In 2023, GSFF board has decided to collaborate with the Forest Conservation Fund and use the financial surplus to support a mangrove reforestation project in West Kalimantan, Indonesia. Jawai Tangaran ecosystem is a good example of interface between coastal mangrove and mixed forest ecosystem, aquaculture, communities, and nature. Funding from GSF through FCF helps to strengthen communities' capacity to directly protect and conserve the ecosystem by implementing sustainable aquaculture, which will improve their economy, while at the same time conserving the natural barriers which will protect them from natural disasters and adverse climate change impacts. We hope GSF's commitment can inspire more companies to follow the initiative and take concrete action to support community-led protection of mangrove ecosystem in other tropical countries in Asia, Latin America, and Africa.